The avalanche of Starfield mods hasn't stopped since its release. You can tweak everything from its inventory screen to the difficulty of its firefights. But out of all the mods out there, a few are so useful that they're borderline essential. There are 3 mods that you should install to smooth out some of Starfield's roughest spots. None of them make fundamental changes to how you play the game, so you don't need to worry about spoiling your first playthrough. Think of these recommendations as a way to dip your toe into mods. The best Starfield mods enhance the game in ways people found lacking otherwise, but some of them go further than others. Not everyone wants to skip every takeoff and landing animation with their fancy spaceship, but a lot of people agree the game's default UI is a chore to use. Here's 3 mods every Starfield player should use. Starfield modder M8R9804F2 is here to save you the headache of trying to get anything done in the game's unwieldy inventory screen. Star UI Inventory presents your bags of stuff in a clean list that you can sort by type, weight, and value. It's not exactly an elegant solution, but for how much you'll be searching for new loot or healing items, it'll save you all the time you'd spend navigating it otherwise. Installing Star UI Inventory doesn't take long, but you'll need to read the instructions on the Nexus Mods page carefully, or watch this video tutorial by Kcrucify. After you move the files over and edit a few text documents, you'll be free of the nightmare that is using the default inventory UI. Starfield doesn't incentivize you to do a lot of crafting because very few of the items you can make are all that useful. The items you actually churn through are ammo, digipicks, and medpacks. The craftable ammo and utilities mod single-handedly makes crafting worth your time by allowing you to craft all 3 of those precious items along with grenades. The craftable ammo and utilities mod makes playing Starfield a much smoother experience without replacing the need to search every locker and chest for loot. There are tons of crafting materials that go unused and now you can use them for stuff you'll regularly need. To install it, you need to follow the instructions on the Nexus Mods page to move a file over and create or edit a text file in your Starfield file directory. Starfield has an NPC walk problem. It's 2023 and your little computer-controlled buddies should know that nobody actually walks in video games. Simple faster walk makes following NPCs bearable by increasing their walking speed. That's it, that's the mod. But you'll find it surprisingly useful as you take on the surprising amount of missions that require you to follow an NPC somewhere. Instead of running ahead and waiting for them to catch up, it just makes them move 50% faster to save everyone's time. Like the other 2 mods in this list, Simple Faster Walk requires you to make and edit a Starfield custom.ini text file in addition to extracting the files. A tiny file and 2 lines of text is all it takes to wake Starfield's sleepy NPCs up.